President William Ruto ni ahubete riri igongona ria kwĩhitithia acirithania aria merĩga kwamũrwo na kwambatĩrio ngathĩ nĩ Commission ya motungata ma igoti-inĩ. President oritie acirithania aya mathingatithie kĩhoto na njĩra ya waragania, akĩnyĩrĩria atĩ gĩbarũa kĩnene kĩrĩa kĩrĩ mbere yao nĩ kũnyihia mwatĩkano wa macira magoti-inĩ. President no ahinyĩrĩirie bata wa rũhonge rwa wathani kũnyitanĩra na rũhonge rwa acirithania nĩguo gũtungatĩra Akenya.
And the laws and customs of the Republic, without any fear.
The President of the Law Society of the Constitution for the swearing in.
An independent judiciary, an effective executive, a progressive legislature, an open civil society, and a vigilant media are not mutually exclusive. Instead, they share a mandate to serve the people and should facilitate each other's efforts. This synergy extends to accountability and transparency as exemplified by the operationalization of the Public Benefits Organization Act of 2013, which was operationalized last week. By unifying regulations and promoting participatory governance, we aim to increase accountability and transparency across all arms of government. Ultimately, we will be judged not by how well we serve the strong and influential, but how well we support and protect the weak, the poor, and the vulnerable.